If you do serious design work, I'm talking about brand design work, where you have to move from creative direction document to your logo options or brand presentation documents, as well as your brand guide documents, and you now move on to, your offboarding documents, and you now have to work on your packaging presentation documents, and you now even have to work on retainer for clients, and you now have to create assets for clients, and you now have to create motion design for presentation. How many tools are you going to use to create all this? Be honest with yourself. Guess what? You can do all this on one Figma file, not two, one Figma file. If you've not been using Figma to do all this at the same time, you've been wasting a lot of time, and I'm going to forgive you for that, because I'm doing this course for you so you can have another chance to learn this in 2026. This big 2026, don't go and be losing time. This course is just 7,500 naira at pre-launch price. It's going to increase as the time goes on. Now, let me tell you other benefits. Do you know that on Figma, you and your teammates can be working on the same file at the same time, and you can even have a call with them on Figma. Figma has that native feature inbuilt. Let me tell you another thing. On Figma, when you work on files, you don't have to save the file and say, oh, version 1, version 2. It is saved on the cloud. So if you are not able to access your laptop for some reason or the other, all you just have to do is log into your Figma account, and the file that you are working in by 5 a.m., maybe by 12 p.m. you're in an O1B or something and the client calls you, you can just access any laptop nearby, log into your Figma account, and you can work on your design. Maybe do a tweak here and there, and you're good to go. You get. This course is a 5-module course. In the first module, we're going to be doing an introduction, a very thorough introduction to Figma. I'm going to teach you Figma AI. The second module, we're going to walk through a brand design together. The third module, we're going to be talking about illustration in Figma. I'm going to be illustrating with you. Fourth module, we're going to be talking about motion design in Figma. And the final module, guess what? We're going to be recreating some very nice designs I'm going to pick up from Pinterest. Both flyers, illustrations, motion design, and documents. This is going to be amazing for you if you're a brand designer. If you are a team, do what to reach out to your boss. Send them this video, send them this link. Tell them to click on the link and buy the course for each and every one of you. Yeah, so do that and have an amazing day. Click the link. Click the link. You can't have an amazing day if you have not clicked the link. Now. Bye. Peace out.